Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today we journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan, home to some of the most breathtaking sceneries in the world. Japan's scenery is a unique fusion of traditional and modern aesthetics. As we traverse its landscape, we'll see how the country's natural beauty is enhanced by its rich cultural heritage. From the ancient temples nestled among verdant forests, to the sleek modern architecture piercing the sky, Japan's scenery is a captivating blend of the old and the new. The country's 4 distinct seasons further enrich its scenery. Spring's cherry blossoms, summer's lush greenery, autumn's vibrant hues, and winter's serene snowscapes. Each season brings a different, yet equally stunning look to Japan's landscapes. And it's not just the natural wonders. The man-made attractions, towering skyscrapers, historic castles, bustling cityscapes, all contribute to the country's scenic charm. So come on this journey as we explore the best scenic spots in Japan. First stop, Kyoto, a city where history comes alive, especially when the cherry blossoms bloom. Picture a sea of delicate pink petals, swaying gently in the breeze and blanketing the ancient city in a soft, ethereal glow. This is Kyoto during sakura, the cherry blossom season, a spectacle that draws visitors from around the globe. In this city where tradition and modernity coexist, sakura holds a special place. Its arrival is eagerly anticipated, with the bloom forecast tracked like a sporting event. Sakura season usually begins in late March, reaching full bloom in early April, a time when the city seems to hold its breath in awe of the transient beauty. Kyoto boasts an array of stunning locations to view these captivating blossoms. The Philosopher's Path, a scenic canal-side walk lined with hundreds of cherry trees, transforms into a veritable tunnel of pink. Maruyama Park, another popular spot, is home to a large weeping cherry tree that becomes a beacon of light at night when it's illuminated. Temples and shrines add a spiritual dimension to the sakura viewing experience. Kiyomizu-dera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers panoramic views of the city framed by cherry blossoms. The Heian Shrine with its spacious gardens allows for a tranquil, introspective sakura experience. But sakura is more than just a visual feast. It's deeply ingrained in the Japanese psyche, symbolizing the fleeting nature of life, a theme often explored in literature and art. The Japanese tradition of hanami, or flower viewing, involves picnicking under the cherry blossoms, a practice dating back centuries. It's a time of joy, reflection, and community, a celebration of the transient beauty that sakura embodies. Kyoto's cherry blossoms aren't just flowers. They are a testament to the city's enduring charm, a symbol of the harmony between man and nature, and a reminder of the ephemeral beauty of life. When sakura season ends, the petals fall like snowflakes, blanketing the city in a soft pink carpet, leaving behind memories as fleeting yet as unforgettable as the blossoms themselves. Kyoto's cherry blossoms, a fleeting yet unforgettable visual feast. Next, we ascend to the iconic Mount Fuji, a symbol of Japan's natural beauty. This snow-capped sentinel, standing at over 12,000 feet, is more than just Japan's highest mountain. It's a sacred site, a cultural icon, and a World Heritage Site, recognized by UNESCO for its influence on Japanese art and culture. Mount Fuji, or Fujisan, as it's affectionately known to the locals, is the embodiment of graceful symmetry. Its near-perfect conical shape has been the muse of countless artists, its image gracing everything from ancient woodblock prints to modern-day postcards. But the beauty of Mount Fuji isn't confined to its peak. At its base lies the scenic Five Lakes region, a wonderland of serene waters, lush forests, and picturesque towns. Each lake offers unique vistas of the mountain, reflecting its grandeur like a mirror on a clear day. Climbing Mount Fuji is a rite of passage for many. It's a challenging journey, but one that rewards climbers with breathtaking views and a sense of accomplishment. The climbing season runs from early July to early September. During this time, thousands of people, from seasoned mountaineers to enthusiastic novices, make the pilgrimage to the summit. The ascent is a test of endurance and will, but reaching the top is an experience like no other. As dawn breaks, the climbers are greeted with Goraiko, the arrival of light, a view so magnificent that it's as if the world is being born anew. And yet, Mount Fuji isn't just a destination for climbers, it's a place of spiritual significance, home to numerous shrines and temples. For centuries, it's been a site of pilgrimage, with the mountain itself seen as a bridge between the earthly and the divine. Mount Fuji, a majestic peak that has inspired countless artists and adventurers, its beauty is ever-changing, with each season adding a new layer to its charm. Whether you're gazing at it from a distance, exploring the Five Lakes region at its base, or making the strenuous climb to its summit, Mount Fuji captivates and inspires. And it's this enduring allure that makes it a must-see on any trip to Japan. Now let's head north to Hokkaido, where autumn brings a riot of colors. As the chilly breeze of autumn sweeps over the island, Hokkaido transforms into a painter's palette. The lush greenery of summer gives way to a vibrant tapestry of reds, oranges, and yellows. This spectacle is not to be missed. The best spots to witness this autumnal extravaganza include the Daisetsuzen National Park, Lake Aken, and the Shiratoko Peninsula. Each offers a unique view of the season's vibrant hues, whether mirrored in tranquil waters or set against the stark beauty of the mountains. But the riot of colors is not the only spectacle that autumn in Hokkaido offers. This season also marks the return of the majestic brown bears, sika deer, and numerous bird species. The Shiratoko Peninsula becomes a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, with its rich biodiversity and opportunities to observe these animals in their natural habitat. Autumn in Hokkaido is also a time for celebration. The locals mark the season with festivals, the most popular being the Sapporo Autumn Fest. Here you can immerse yourself in Hokkaido's rich culture and traditions, watch traditional performances, and participate in local games. And let's not forget the food. Autumn is a time of harvest, and Hokkaido, with its vast agricultural lands, offers a bounty of fresh produce. Indulge in the flavors of freshly harvested corn, potatoes, and pumpkins. Taste the sweetness of the locally grown apples and grapes. Savor the richness of the seafood, including the famous Hokkaido crabs, which are at their best during this season. Autumn in Hokkaido is indeed a feast for the senses. The vibrant colors of the foliage, the mesmerizing wildlife, the rich cultural experiences, and the mouth-watering food, all make for an unforgettable journey. So, when you find yourself longing for a place that can offer both tranquility and excitement, remember Hokkaido. It's more than just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its shores. Hokkaido in autumn, a vibrant spectacle that warms the heart. Finally, we dive into the bustling metropolis of Tokyo, where the futuristic skyline offers a different kind of scenery. Tokyo is a city that never sleeps, a city that is constantly evolving, and a city that is truly a testament to the resilience and determination of the Japanese people. Let's start with the iconic Tokyo Tower, a beacon of steel and light that punctuates the city's skyline. Standing at a staggering 333 meters, this resplendent structure is a symbol of Japan's post-war rebirth as a global economic powerhouse. Its observation deck offers a panoramic view of the city that is nothing short of breathtaking. Next, we have the Sky Tree, an architectural marvel and the tallest tower in Japan. With its sleek design and futuristic vibe, it's a stark contrast to the traditional temples and shrines that dot the city. The Sky Tree is not just a tower, it's a symbol of Tokyo's commitment to innovation and progress. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a kaleidoscope of neon lights. Streets become rivers of color, flowing through the city's veins and illuminating the night. The vibrant, pulsating energy of Tokyo's nightlife is a sight to behold, a spectacle that can only be truly appreciated from above. From the bustling streets of Shibuya to the serene beauty of the Imperial Palace Gardens, Tokyo is a city of contrasts. It's a place where the old and the new coexist, where tradition meets innovation. The city's skyline, with its mix of towering skyscrapers and historic landmarks, is a reflection of this unique blend. But perhaps what makes Tokyo's skyline so special is not just the buildings themselves, but the stories they tell. Each structure, each light, each street, tells a story of a city that rose from the ashes of a devastating war to become one of the world's leading metropolises. Tokyo's skyline, a testament to Japan's journey into the future. And there you have it, the best scenic spots in Japan, each with its own unique charm. From the breathtaking cherry blossoms of Kyoto, painting the city in hues of pink and white, to the majestic Mount Fuji, standing tall and proud against the sky. We've also journeyed through the vibrant autumn colors of Hokkaido, a spectacle that captivates and enchants with its fiery palette. And let's not forget the futuristic skyline of Tokyo, a testament to Japan's technological prowess and innovative spirit. In each of these places we've seen a different facet of Japan's beauty, a testament to its diverse landscapes and rich culture. But we've only just scratched the surface. There's so much more to see, so much more to explore. Now we want to hear from you. Which area of the world should we explore next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your support helps our channel grow. Safe travels, everyone.